Hey guys, it's me Shayla back at you guys with another video, and today I am at the Buddy Walk in honor of my sister and everyone else. I'm sorry, her picture just came up on the screen. No! So right now we are just here having fun with the family and some friends. He was tossing me around the football, so I'm waiting for the walk to start. And so that's what we are waiting here for. I'll give you guys some glimpses of what we are doing today. And I don't know, I guess it'll just be like a daily vlog type thing. But also it's my mom's birthday, so stay tuned.
I need to work around my house, so I can see Uncle Red and then see his new truck that he got.
Oh, okay. So we are now about to grab something to eat, then head over to my grandma's house to see some more family members. And
I can tell, like, when these shirts came out bolder. I like this one better.
okay, we are here. We are eating from Noodles and Company. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to give you a hug.
No, he had
just
your
about to
sneaky
hug.
face on.
I was just about to, yeah, I was going to sneak around into the picture and hug you.
I don't even know what I'm gonna get. I think I'm gonna get this one right here with these noodles. So I kind of forgot to show our food. We just started eating, but well, there's not much left of my dad's. It's kind of gone, but he had the same as my mom. So here's my mom's. What's left of it? And here's mine. It's so, you can still see what I had. My sister's. Show me future. And TJ, I don't know, did they get the same thing? No.
I got a Japanese pan dish with sauteed steak.
I mean, I know the mommy. Like,
I was trying to want to show you guys the chopsticks she knows how to use. Go try them. Oh, wow. Good job, Jay. You got it. Yeah.
Good job. Better eat it before fall.
yeah.
I'll say good job, girl.
Now we are looking at a new truck that,
It's about to be in y'all
yeah,
way.
that one my uncle got.
This is
New truck.
Win the game.
Oh man, it's nice.
Tinted windows and everything.
You hear me?
Oh, it is this leather too?
Mm-hmm.
It's real nice.
And it's not like too big. Right? This is nice, right?
I like this.
One that I showed him around.
Mm-hmm. This is a nice size.
Yeah, it's the right size.
Yep. Not too big or anything.
Behind you, mommy, look.
Oh, the 18.4.
I like
Oh, it sure does. I can notice that.
Yeah, I like this. It's nice.
Mm-hmm.
shooting his truck now.
I like the new car smell too.
I know. You can smell it. Only 1,301 miles on it.
Oh, wow.
Mhm.
Only 1,000?
Brand new.
Yep.
It's 2022.
2022 truck?
Yeah, it's brand new.
I do stank leg in this
Thank you, man.
one. Oh, wow. They even got this. I ain't seen one of these in a long time.
Oh, the side
We
window?
had it with
Yeah.
the little thing on the back. We
Wow.
going to the zoo. They be
I ain't
yelling
even
at
think they
us in
put
the
them in
back.
cars no more.
Oh, yeah.
That
Oh,
truck we
truck.
used to go to.
Yeah, blue truck.
Have
Yep.
in that camper.
And he have open. Y'all sit down in there.
Yeah, that's how we used to do it.
Yeah.
My dad had that truck, and he had a camper on the back. We was sitting in the back.
Going to
Yeah.
the zoo. Us bitches
Everybody
like
sit down. Yep, we would. Going to the zoo, going fishing.
Exactly. Yes, he left. Before the world got crazy. Oh, she got N100. I got 200.
What's the
We got the
difference?
same kind of phone. No, Barbara, because it's up there. She said, what kind of phone you got? But mine's N2.
Looks good. We have made it back home with Morales. Morales! What? What? Morale Blue! Morale Blue! And say hi? He's chilling. And so now we are all about to go to the store. We're about to go to the store in a little bit. I think Morales wants to play. Yep, he's gonna get his old toy bone. We're gonna get back over here. What? What? He's like taunting it. So like, he would like get the bone, he like run across you, but not stop at you, because he's trying to get you to chase him. But yeah. But we are sitting here. He wants attention. But we are sitting here right now. We are about to go to the store. And speaking of the store, since you know today's my mom's birthday, and so we're gonna go grab her some gifts. I have already gotten my gift for her, and I paid $30 extra for next day shipping just for it to not come the next day. is gonna come on Monday, and today's Saturday, and today's her birthday. So it's like, I kind of needed that today. So what I'm going to do is do like a little prank type thing. So I might go to the store and I'm going to get like a little gift bag and fill it up with some random non-gift stuff, you know, like maybe like a pack of gum, a pack of tissue, and maybe like a travel size toothpaste, because you know she travels and stuff a lot now for her job, but like little travel toothpaste thing, a pen or a piece of paper or something, you know. I'm gonna fill it up with like that kind of stuff and so that's my present to her. I mean, it's not bad, but I mean, like, it's like, that's not really like a present type thing. My brother and sister are gonna get her actual gifts and stuff. Look what you did. He got his toy bone stuck under the table. Morales. Morales. What did you do? What did you do, Bubba? You okay? Morales. He's gonna try to pound it. Pound it. There we go. Okay, we are now at the mall, and I found these really cute boots, like hero boots. There's this one, and then also a black one. So these right here are an 8, and the other ones, the black ones we got, are a 7.5. I'm usually a 7.5, but there you don't have any black ones. That is a 7.5, but the 7.5 is comfortable. The 8 is a little bit more comfortable, but I can still wear the 7.5. So that's kind of the dilemma I'm in. I'm still going to get both of them because like I can still wear them fine. It's just the 8 with these shoes feel a little bit more comfortable, but they're both fine. So we're about to leave the mall now, but I did stop by the smoothie place and got me and my dad our strawberry smoothies. What are they called? It was really good. It's like one of the best smoothies I've had.
Strawberry smoothie.
No, like the place. Like, I don't even know. But they're good.
Definitely don't put their brand on the trip. So.
We are now at the premium outlets by our house, and we're going to go ahead and go in here to try to find a gift for my mom for TJ. No, a gift for my mom from TJ. So I already got mine. Triana already got her gift from the other mall we was just at. So my dad got his. And I just this dude right here. Okay, we are now at Harris Teeter, and my brother's gonna get my mom some flowers to go with her gift that he got her, and I'm gonna see if I can find the prank stuff or whatever. And here, if not, I can stop at Dollar Tree because it's like small stuff anyways. But if I can find them in here to save an extra trip, then I would. But we'll see.
I'll get her this one.
I'm gonna get her these Reese cup. Hey, travel size. Perfect, perfect, perfect. We just came from over there. I think I found my card. Oh wait. Yeah, that's mine. Dude. That's my card. I just switched it.
I got different.
Yeah, y'all can share these bags. So you got put your shades in there.
Okay. Yeah.
Actually, you got the coach bag.
Okay.
We still gotta get one of them.
Well, Triana. Oh no, she doesn't need. Okay.
Triana's gonna give her the
That's
bag,
fine.
a box.
They had all the bags like wiped out, so these are kind of all they have.
We get
So-
a trick or treat bag.
And trick or treat, that'd be hilarious. Honestly. I'm gonna get her a fingernail clipper. This. And then also, let me see. Oh, right here, hand sanitizer. I think that should be good. That's a perfect bag. If like, yes, it's a fake gift, but it's also a real gift because like she needs this stuff, you know. So it's not like it's totally unrealistic and like she's like has no use for them. So that's kind of what makes it believable too, because it's not too like out the way to where she can't use it, but like it's things that she needs and that she could use, that she will use. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna get her. Okay, bag is complete. Just sent the card. I don't know why my flash just turned on, but yeah. Okay, pop. Hand sanitizer. And then, what else? Okay, I think the other stuff is in the trunk, so I'm gonna have to take it out and put it in here before I get in the house. Okay, just opened up the trunk. This is the stuff I got her. The Reese's. That in there. I got her gum. And and then a toothpaste, travel size. And the chips and the other gum is mine. So this is a little goodie bag. Happy birthday, Mom.
A circle. Ooh. Beautiful. Oh, I love sunflowers.
So make sure you dust the top, right?
Ooh. Oh, it says to Mom. For you, Mom, celebrating you and loving you too for all the wonderful mom things you do. I just wanted you to know that I love and appreciate you and that I'm wishing you happiest on your birthday. Ah, Puda. Thank you. You need to take your mask off. Oh. Thank you. Let me see this. Oh. Oh, these are nice. Here, hold this. I'll put this here. Let's get the wrapper on them. Cute. I like them. Yep, that's cute. Uh-oh. Love them. Thank you. Another hug. Who picked these out?
No, these are all me.
Huh?
These are all me.
Did you pick them out? You said, oh, I like to change Mama.
Yeah.
Oh, look at you. Put that in the case.
But of course, actually, yeah, my dad didn't make suggestions on, like...
No, that was your final decision. You picked them out and we was like, yeah, we like this, that, and
That for me.
that was
Okay,
you.
who's next?
Triana.
Go ahead, Shay.
Happy birthday, Mama. I'll pay it for you.
Thank you.
With my money.
Thank you. Pay for your money.
Yeah.
Thank you. First lunch, and you bought me something else.
Well, all these are us.
That is beautiful. Thank you. Okay. What did you get me? You know I love shoes.
Because they're ready, mommy. So I pay for your money. I want you to look at it.
I want you to
Okay, here,
look
take
at
the top off for me.
I got you, yeah, I paid that money for that one.
Oh, these are nice, girl. Thank you. You know I love my boots. I love it. Thank you. Who picked these out?
Me.
All by yourself.
All by myself.
Good job. I love it. Thank you
My
so
birthday,
much.
mhm.
Huh?
I have to thank you, birthday mother.
What's next?
TJ,
You ain't gonna whisper mine after you read it. I'll let you get away with it with Trey. You're not gonna whisper mine.
Oh, you know
Read your
what?
sons out
Dr.
loud.
Reed,
You know what I'm saying? So I was waiting to see if she
No.
gonna do it again.
I love being with you.
I'm
And
glad
your
you got this on
birthday
tape.
is one more day. I am so grateful that you're mine. Happy birthday. I love you.
What happened?
Your hubby. I read yours
She
out
read
loud.
yours out loud.
And
She
didn't
didn't
read
read-
mine out loud or your dad's. So I was like, let me
I
just.
already knew it was gonna happen. I knew it was gonna happen.
It was not on purpose.
Like I said, I knew it was gonna happen.
For my wife, I can't believe how lucky I am to be married to you. The love we share has grown deeper and gone beyond anything I could have imagined when we started out. And so, on your birthday, I want to tell you how grateful I am that you're my wife and how very much I love you. Happy birthday. I love you. You're happy.
She doing the extra kicks and stuff because she knows you're on camera. We didn't have any bags, so that's what I'm trying to hide. We're trying to hide everything, boy. Trying to hide.
Hold this for me.
Yes,
Thank you. Oh, yeah, I know I needed some pumps for work. And these are cute. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are cute, yes. These are really cute. I might wear these tonight.
Yes, ma'am.
Really, really cute. I love them. And it's perfect because I can use this all the time.
I know.
I love them.
You can use it all the time. You guys see that?
Right here.
I just would not see nothing about my
Yep.
You can use it all the
I
time.
really love these. More gifts. Ooh, my Saint Laurent. Oh, ooh, it's perfume and lotion. Ooh, I'm gonna carry this bag.
Hey, no, I'll tell Shayla. I'll tell Shayla. I said she got her bag and everything now.
You got me over here like I'm
TJ's like, I don't know what it is. I said, your mama know what it is. Watch.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna carry it like it's a purse.
It is kind of like a little hand pouch.
Yep.
Oh, your mama ain't joking.
I'm really not joking.
They're all at a point where you can pay for a mom gifts properly.
Ooh, it's a cute bottle.
Okay, we're gonna focus. There we go. There we go. Focus. There we go. And with the bag. Ooh.
Ooh, precious, mom.
Cute. Smells good too.
Those are two things that were stuck in my head.
Shoes and Saint Laurent.
Yeah, but I was like, boy, I kept breaking that thing down as far as I could break it down. I was like, boy. I said, what?
Yeah. So these are in the same price as Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, it is.
Mommy, Mom, do you like
The box, not the box.
do you like your shoe? I got you.
Oh, I love my boots, girl.
I heard it was this. I don't know.
Ooh, I love the box.
Mm-hmm.
And here's the card, Mommy.
Let me see. To the best mom.
Uh-oh, here goes again. Some more.
Did it look focused or blurry? There we go.
Mom, you've always been there for me no matter what life brings. And even though years have come and gone, knowing I can always count on your love still makes all the difference in the world to me.
Oh, this is sweet of you,
If
daughter.
there was ever a mom who deserved the best of everything, it's you. And that's exactly what your wish today and every day. Happy birthday. Love you so much. Nunca. No.
Yeah, wow, that's what
Thank you.
It's some things that you need, Mommy.
Some things I need?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay,
no.
let me see. She got me some. Some Trident. I do need gum when I'm
And
traveling.
that's used to be a favorite.
And I do need this. I don't know if I can carry this on the airplane, but I use it when I clip my bags and stuff. Ooh, and hand sanitizer.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely need this for my
I might
hands.
take one though. If I need one. Give it to me.
Yep, my travel size. I need this.
Gifts
That
from
is awesome.
gifts from a college student.
Ooh, and Reese's peanut butter cup pumpkin. I love this.
The thoughtful gifts.
It's very, very thoughtful. Thank you, Nunca.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I love it. I do.
How much is it?
Yeah,
TT.
from my baby. Absolutely love it.
What?
I'm gonna eat this right here. Thank you.
From your college student.
Yes.
I never say college student gifts. But we love you and we appreciate you
I appreciate
for all you do for us. We cannot, it's endless what you do for us. So for all of us to try to express our love for you with gifts, we can't do that. But we try to show you every day, and we're going to tell you with our words as much as we can that we love you. We appreciate everything that you do for us. You hold us together. You're the glue. You keep us held down, and we love you and appreciate you.
Thank you.
Because you're always thinking about us and all the different ways that we try to express to you now. You do that for us all the time. You think about us before you think about yourself, and we appreciate it.
Thank you, my baby. These are cute.
I know. And this one too.
You got me two pairs. What?
Wow. So you over the budget, girl.
She went over the budget. Ooh. I love it. I love them. Two different colors.
Wait, but those are mine.
Yeah.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
She went over budget on herself.
Yes, they are.
She went over budget on herself.
Look, she was ready to record this thing too. See your response.
I like both of them. I'm like, oh, I can wear them with either one. What?
You can't even talk right now, boy. She got you on that one. I was trying to hold it in. Those are hers for real. Those are hers for real.
We wear the same size though.
Well, that one's an 8.
Okay.
But actually, it feels a lot better than that one. But they still the both.
She not giving you them shoes. I'm telling you, they hers. She did not buy those for you.
Right.
I'm gonna tell you
I
this.
keep one to each. You keep one to each.
No.
Like this. Nah, this is a nice color.
You wanna
right
try
here.
them on?
Huh?
You can try them on.
Oh my God.
She went through it.
I'm just
you very
kidding.
much.
I'll show you a gift, Mommy.
Hmm?
I'll show you your gift.
No, she did. No, those not yours. Those are hers for real. I can tell. Yes, I'm telling you, those are hers. You got your Trident, your Reese's, and your Clippers that you love. No, you were loving it before she showed you what she got. You were loving it before she showed you what she bought for herself.
I should have said nothing then. I should have just waited.
No, she did order you something. We were thinking, we kept looking for it.
I
It was,
paid $30 extra for next day shipping.
And it didn't
or
come
not to
in.
come.
Wow.
But it's gonna come Monday. Here it is.
but she had already ordered it because she was showing me pictures and everything when she was trying to figure out something. And she was trying to pick out something. I'm being recorded, so I have to talk properly. For you know,
I hope my phone dies.
as we move forward in life.
Right here, bye.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. I like that.
Different blurry, you have to get this. That looks blurry.
It's
It's blurry. It's not clean. It's starting to focus now. Still not focused.
Better focus.
There it is.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. I like that.
Because that's since he didn't have any micro cords, you only have to wall it. So I was like, okay, I'll get like a bag then.
That's beautiful.
You still like the shoes too, don't you?
I like the bag though. And you know what? These shoes will go with that bag.
They're on sale right now.
I can get that there.
Outfit for the night before they go out to dinner. The shoes. And my mom. Cute, cute.
Won't you come?